Understanding Step Back, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to discuss: step back. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help you in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and explore what step back means and how you can use it effectively. Let's start with the basics. The phrase, step back, literally means to take a step or move backward. Imagine you are standing too close to something, and someone tells you to step back. What they mean is for you to move your body backwards to create some distance. This is a simple, physical action, and it's the foundational meaning of the phrase. Step back is also often used in a more figurative way, meaning it's used to express an idea rather than a physical action. When used figuratively, step back can mean to take a moment to pause and think about a situation before making a decision or forming an opinion. For example, if you are feeling overwhelmed at work, a colleague might advise you to step back and assess the situation from a new perspective. Let's look at some examples to see how step back can be used in sentences. 1. Literal use: you're too close to the painting. Could you please step back? 2. Figurative use: I think we need to step back and rethink our strategy. It's not working as we planned. In the first example, step back is used to mean moving physically away from something. In the second example, it is used to suggest taking time to reflect and consider other options. That's it for today's lesson on step back. We've covered the literal and figurative uses of this phrase, and I hope these examples have helped you understand how it can be used in different contexts. Remember, learning a language is all about practice, so try using step back in your own sentences and see how it goes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.